and welcome to day number 4. Anyone followed up on the homework today? Who called Experian, TransUnion, Equifax?
I called Experian today and I recorded them, the 2 addresses that's on my account. And he told me, even if he did remove it, he said a company is reporting that address. And he's told me to contact the company. And I told him the burden of proof is not on me, it's on the credit reporting agency to report accuracy and verifiable information on my credit report. And then he told me that even if he took it off, that the company that's reporting it is going to put it right back in. So I told him, you mean to tell me that you don't have any processes in place to validate the information that's coming into my account? And you're also admitting on record that you don't have a process in place to stop a creditor from coming into my account with false information.
You know, you can literally go now and file a small claims lawsuit in the state of New York. So that's an easy 10,000 right there. You have the fact that you disputed it round 1. You called in to change the information. You have record of them admitting they have no processes in place to verify information that creditors give to them, which simply means that they're parroting what they get from a creditor, and that is in violation of the
Yes.
case law. Cushman versus TransUnion. You can use that lawsuit to win that case.
Good evening, everyone. Okay, so quick question. You go to small claims court and you win your case. How difficult is it to actually collect from them?
Well, it shouldn't be difficult. They're supposed to follow through. Now, if they don't follow through, it's going to get settled in 30 days or 15 days to settle everything and cut you your check. A debt collector cannot collect on unvalidated debt. It has to be valid. And a part of the debt being valid is they must comply with all the requirements under 12 CFR 1006.34C, being able to send account level information like signed contracts, bill of sale, billing statements, charge-off statements, chain of title, payment history. These are some of the requirements that they have to send you, right? And there's other federal cases that you can use. One of my favorite cases, Hinkle versus Midland, right? A debt collector can't just verify without proof. We spoke about Cushman versus TransUnion earlier. A CRA must conduct what? A meaningful investigation. In Richardson versus Equifax, it reinforces the duty under 1681 S2B. So these are different case laws that we can use to structure our strategy based on what we're going to do. If you receive a summons, you have no clue what to do. At a minimum, ladies and gentlemen, you must respond. If you do not respond, a debt collector is going to put in for a default judgment. And this default judgment can be used to levy bank accounts and garnish wages. You can dispute any information that is inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable debts with consumer reporting agency. TransUnion, Equifax, Experian. 15 U.S.C. 1681 I of the FCRA is the investigation section, and 15 U.S.C. 1692 G or 12 CFR 1006.34C gives that validation demand, right? So at a minimum, we need the validation of the debt, proof of ownership, chain of assignment, signed contract with your wet ink signature. This is going to be something very important because for those of you that's never been to court before, it's going to be an important thing that you want to read. It's going to give you tips, it's going to give you guidances, but these are the things that will help you when you're there or help you prepare. But the most important part, ladies and gentlemen, is the vault. There's a vault there, and the vault is loaded. You will use these laws and these strategies unapologetic because it is you versus them. And if I was to pick between me and a debt collector, I like me more. This is what I'm going to be showing you guys in Forbidden AI. You'll write a motion to dismiss for lack of standing uses Hinkle versus Midland and Clark versus Capital Credit. So these are the type of resources you are being exposed to inside of Forbidden AI. Lorraine, when I go to court, I don't know what to say. Well, congratulations. Forbidden AI has everything you need to know about what to say, how to do your objections, how to do your hearsay, your role plays, your motions. All right? Tomorrow is going to be a very interactive day. From your favorite island boy, y'all know what time it is. Day 4 has been officially completed.